Sitting on the dock of the bay. Yeah, they do. It picks up. We got some sand for you. Chillaxing with these beautiful people right here. Oh, I switched it around. This that motorcycle life, y'all. Out here chilling on a beach. One of many that we'll be hitting this year. Come on, Slappy, where are you? Uh-oh, it's coming all the way up. Who in that plane up there? Hey! Told y'all. It's coming to get y'all. We're sitting way up here and the water just came up to rich toes.
I think it's gonna stop. For us, it's gonna stop right here.
Right there.
Yep. Come on up. Oh, dang.
It's coming up.
You can see where it's
All right, y'all. I'm going to get off because my battery is dying.
Nothing. Oh! And I got on long pants.
Oh, my shoe.
Cake shoes about to float away because our shoes actually float. I guess we got to back a little bit.
I
Uh-oh.
told